Build great landing pages fast and get more conversions. With hundreds of new features, incredible improvements, tweaks and much more. It's a marketer's dream. Easy drag and drop builder. Our new drag and drop builder turns you into a marketing master fast with zero coding or design skills. Just click, drag and go. 130 plus proven templates. Start with one of our high-converting, goegeous, mobile-optimized templates and customize them to make them your own. New funnel builder. Our new funnel builder helps you create opt-in funnels, sales, webinar, membership funnels and more and track your success. Optimized for conversions. Businesses large, small, and new trust ProfitBuilder to take control of their marketing and get better results and scale revenue. Always mobile responsive. Your landing pages will look fantastic automatically on any device, capturing leads from everywhere for your business. A/B testing and analytics. Optimize, test and track your conversions with our powerful split testing engine and squeeze every ounce of power from your pages. How ProfitBuilder makes you a better marketer. Here are a few reasons ProfitBuilder is the most powerful landing page platform for WordPress. Optimized for conversions. We built everything in ProfitBuilder with conversions in mind. We use ProfitBuilder for almost everything in our businesses and built it originally because we found every other system lacking in many critical areas. Now you can benefit from our focus on your conversions. Easy drag and drop builder. Our free flow UI makes it easier than ever to quickly build amazing custom landing pages for any campaign and use overlays to increase conversions on all your pages, all without touching a single line of code. Just drag, drop and you are ready to rock and take control of your marketing. Always mobile responsive. With ProfitBuilder software, your pages automatically look fantastic on every device and ensure that your visitors have the best experience possible. When your users have the ability to view your landing page when they want, where they want, your conversion potential skyrockets. Work seamlessly with your existing site. ProfitBuilder bolts right into your existing site without you needing to change your theme. While we have an awesome optional theme that supercharges ProfitBuilder, you can instantly deploy awesome landing pages alongside your existing site without needing to change a thing. Blazingly fast load times. Optimized for maximum speed, your pages will convert more leads, rank higher in the search engines and you will reduce your bounce rates. When you give your customers a better experience, you shine above your competitors and generate more sales from the same amount of traffic. Seamless and easy integration. We support a wide range of integrations with the most popular marketing platforms, including all major email marketing services, webinar services and many more. The ProfitBuilder software makes it super simple to send your new leads straight to the tools you are already using. Even more integrations. We love integrations, and if it integrates with WordPress, it integrates with ProfitBuilder too. Payment processors, membership systems, CRMs, e-commerce. We have you covered. We designed this with maximum flexibility for ourselves, and now you have all that power too. Create a full e-commerce store. Love e-commerce? So do we. So you can build a full store with ProfitBuilder and our special theme, and create a stunning-looking store and start selling all your products fast with an e-commerce engine that powers 37% of all e-commerce stores and has 3 times more active stores than Shopify. Yep, it's that powerful. Set up funnels fast. Our new funnel builder makes it easier than ever to optimize and maximize your profits. In just a few clicks, you can assign your pages to a funnel and monitor in real time your campaign success and dramatically increase revenues for every single lead. A/B split test and optimize. Our smart A/B page testing tool lets you track your visitors' behavior, compare conversion rates, pick the best performing landing page, and maximize the potential of every single lead. Remember, if you're not testing, you're not marketing and potentially losing money. Track your success. Get instant insight into your page, funnel and business performance with simple analytics and know exactly how your campaigns are doing at a glance. Track visitor behavior, increase your conversion rates and easily enhance the overall campaign performance.